Hey guys, today we are fixing a common issue on the AirPods Pro 1st Gen: annoying static and crackling noise caused by sweat and all penetrating the speakers over time. To solve this, we have to perform a delicate microsurgery. We'll clear the factory glue, remove the broken components, and transplant a brand new noise-canceling microphone and driver unit. The space inside is extremely tight, and one tiny mistake can kill the earbud forever. Let's carefully open it up and do it.